Trevor Ainsworth here from EXP Realty, and we are standing outside of 128 Chase Court in Essex, Vermont. 4-bedroom, 4-bath unit, 2-car garage, 2,600 square feet. Let's go take a look. Right here is our 2-car garage, but let's do a quick spin around of the development quick. These units came online about 2.5 years ago. Really well built, spacious units. They're very big inside, and they sold out very quickly, and they've all gone up in value by about $150,000 to $180,000 in the couple of years since they've come online. We walk in and we've got a really nice foyer, kind of fancy mudroom, I guess, tile floor, which makes it easy to clean, and a closet right when you walk in the door. So you've got room in here to put a gun safe if you like, or put your coats and shoes if you have kids. First, we have a half bath. Hey folks, how's it going? Half bath here when you first walk in for convenience, and then to the right here they chose to put their washer and dryer here instead of making a bigger closet. I think their kids are probably moved out of this house. If you had kids, you may use that as a closet, and there's also hookups upstairs for a washer and dryer. Little closet here, which I would maybe make as the pantry. I would maybe take the washer and dryer and put them upstairs. And then you have another entrance to the house here from the garage, which is pretty sizable. 2-car garage, plenty of room on each side, plenty of room in front. As you can see, the bikes are hanging in there. And then we kind of come right into the main living area. Big kitchen. We got oak cabinets, beautiful granite countertops. I love the floors, maple. Everything's very bright and open in here. Nice appliances. Lots of space to work in the kitchen. Plus the big island has a breakfast bar, so it's great to just get your breakfast there and sit with the kids and not have to disrupt the dining room table. Big living area. You could arrange this living room, dining room area in a bunch of different ways, and then spills right out to the deck here. Just a nice little backyard, kind of private for the owners. And get a quick spin of the living room area again. Just is a really big room. I mean, 2,600 square feet on this in this unit. And we've got here a master bedroom on the first floor. That's not common, but these units did come with this when you got the 4-bedroom option. I like the first floor master myself. Big windows, nice lighting package up on the ceiling. This unit, I think they did a really nice job. They took all the upgrades in here and really went with them. Master bath, big tiled shower here, nice tile matching the floor. Hey folks, big area, and then a really big master closet here for all of your clothes and items in your bedroom. Big spot, big setup. I love this downstairs first floor master, and for me anyway, not everybody likes the first floor master. I'm a big fan of it. Another closet there on the left. So we're going to pass by the laundry and that half bath again, go into the foyer, and we're going to head upstairs where we have 3 more bedrooms, all very big bedrooms, and 2 more bathrooms upstairs here. So we got this little kind of landing up top. I love this. It's very bright. You can put some bookshelves in here, sit and read. The transom windows provide a ton of light. It's a great spot for reading, kind of chilling out. It's almost like a bonus room really up here. A couple of plants would be nice. Now remember I mentioned that there was laundry upstairs. Here is where you could put a stackable in this closet. It's all plumbed for it for a stackable washer and dryer. And we go into the first bedroom, which they're using as an office. Big bedrooms in here, and each bedroom's got a huge closet. I mean, this is a nice size walk-in closet for not being a master suite. This is just a big bedroom upstairs. And we're gonna pop back out here, and we've got our first upstairs bathroom. It's a full bath, double vanity sink, full tub and shower here. So if you've got kids, it works out well. Bedroom number 3, another big bedroom. Really big windows, super bright. Now we've got this, you'd call this the second master. It's another big bedroom with a full bathroom and really big walk-in closet off of the bathroom. I like this closet setup in the bathroom here like this. I kind of think it's just a good way to put it. It focuses things out of the room, keeps it in the bathroom area where you're getting changed anyway. Again, the owners here took all the upgrades when they were building this place, and they are moving out of state, so they no longer need it, so it's perfect for you. So we'll come back downstairs here, into the big foyer, and just again, it's like this is so bright, it's so open, and this was a rainy day that I'm out here taking these pictures. We have some lights on for sure, but you see a central vac set up on the right. It's very bright unit that's designed well. It's open, the colors are good. So now we come downstairs to the massive 800 square foot basement that could be easily finished. Easily finished. This might be 1,000 square feet, I think. They opted in for the big egress windows. You could make legal, legit living space here because firemen have to be able to get in and out of windows with their apparatus on their back, and you can't do that with the small basement windows, so they upgraded to the full basement windows down here. Big open space. They've got a little mini gym down here, a little office where he sets up and works on his remote controlled cars. You could easily just close this section off. Nice furnace, really efficient hot water heater, just really done well. The whole setup here is done really well. They did a nice job with it. You can see there's some framing in, but you could really make another 800 to 1,000 square feet downstairs here and have yourself 3,600 square foot property for under 650 is what we're talking about. And the price point here is 649, 650, right around there. And there you have it, the 128 Chase Court in Essex, Vermont.